Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Measure and assemble ingredients. 4 cups whole milk, 1/2 cup plain yogurt starter with active cultures, the zest of 2 lemons, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice reserved for balance. Heat the milk slowly to 180 degrees F to denature proteins and improve texture. Stir frequently to prevent skin. Remove from heat and cool to 110 degrees F. This temperature protects the live cultures. While cooling, zest the lemons finely and set aside the zest and reserved juice for later flavoring and optional syrup preparation. Take 1/2 cup of room temperature plain yogurt starter and whisk it into 1 cup of the cooled 110 degrees F milk until smooth. This prevents clumping when you combine it with the remaining 3 cups of cooled milk. Return the fully mixed milk and starter to an insulated container or yogurt maker and hold it at 110 degrees F for 6 to 8 hours. Longer incubation yields tangier, thicker yogurt. After incubation, gently stir in 1 tablespoon reserved lemon juice and the finely grated zest of 2 lemons to infuse bright citrus notes without breaking the curd. After adding lemon zest and juice, taste and sweeten the yogurt with 1/4 cup granulated sugar or 3 tablespoons honey, stirring until dissolved. Adjust sweetness to preference. Transfer the yogurt to clean jars, cover, and refrigerate for at least 2 hours so it cools and firms. Chilled yogurt thickens further and develops a cleaner flavor. Serve plain with fruit or a lemon syrup made from 2 tablespoons sugar and 1 tablespoon lemon juice warmed briefly. Store lemon yogurt in airtight jars in the refrigerator for up to 10 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.